we will create a Spring Boot with Spring JDBC application. For that, we will create another new Maven project. It could be Indian archetype column generate -d group id group id com dot spring boot JDBC -d artifact id spring boot JDBC -d version 1.0 -d archetype artifact id to Maven archetype quick start. The project created. We need to load the project into Eclipse. Import existing project. Next, browse Spring Boot JDBC and finish. For this, we need to add the dependencies: Spring Boot Web, Starter Web, and Spring Boot Starter Parent, and Spring Boot Maven Build plugin. See here we add Spring Boot Starter Parent and Spring Boot Starter Web and Spring Boot Starter JDBC also. For this, we will see the magic how quickly you can develop your database application and web application. Here we will take as mobile application itself, and we need to create multiple packages here. JDBC.controller dot service dot dev for repository dot view for business object like photo objects. Here we need to declare a class called mobile. Inside the mobile, what are all there? We need to discuss here now. Int mobile ID, string IMEI number, string processor model, string manufacture date, these things, next things I will discuss on next class. Thank you.